Welcome to What Matters to You Today. We bring you the latest news, technology, entertainment and life from around the world. In this episode, we take a look at extraordinary tools that push the limits to new heights. To Payton Saw, the creators devised an innovative solution, a handle that doubles as a blade sheath, enabling the tool's length to adjust from 60 to 33.5 centimeters for easy storage and transport. With 17 teeth per 2.5 centimeters on one side and 7 to 10 teeth on the other. It offers versatility for different cutting tasks. Weighing approximately 450 grams, it simplifies long projects. And is priced at $29. American experts examined step-ladder fall data, revealing 34,000 injuries a year, requiring doctor visits, and another 15,000 requiring a day's off of work. But now, you can avoid all that. For $35, you can attach a tool holder to prevent accidents while reaching tools or paint cans weighing up to 7 kilograms. This means that you won't have to climb down or dangerously stretch to reach things, reducing the risk of accidental falls. You probably remember Mario, the famous plumber. Now, curiously enough, here's a system called the R600 VarioClean. A versatile pipe cleaning system, not only for adventurers, but for plumbers too. Ideal for pipes ranging from 20 to 150 millimeters, it's cordless for off-grid use. Priced at $3,100, it's a handy tool for both indoor and outdoor pipe maintenance. This versatile toolkit suits beginners and pros, featuring a docking station, expansion pack, jig clamp, and drill guides. Options include an Auto Max clamp for 13 to 28 mm thick workpieces, connectable to a vacuum cleaner. For longer boards, extra supports are available, while a special drill guide accommodates thinner pieces with 25% smaller holes. The video displays a kit priced at approximately $300. Julia Roberts has a dedicated knitting and sewing room, and Casey Holmes received a sewing machine from Tom Cruise. Sewing is a popular hobby among Hollywood stars, with versatile hole punch tools available, costing $12, useful for creating holes in multiple materials, including leather, cardboard, rubber, and plastic, up to 4.5 mm in size. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Join us as we explore what matters to you today, where we bring you the latest news, technology, entertainment, and life from around the world. For more great content, please like, subscribe, and share.